Now we'll talk about space consumption in fractional reserve, and remember, fractional reserve is overwrite reserve. This is how much space we set aside in the file system to guarantee that overwrites will always be successful. So first we go through our original example where we create a 50 gig LUN. Remember, LUN is basically a sparse file. There's no data there yet. Write 50 gig and create a snapshot. If we overwrite 25 gig and create a snapshot, the snapshot fails because there's not enough space to be that is available to be reserved. We'll go ahead and set fractional reserve to 0. Previously it would have been at 100. And the space reservation disables, so you can see the pink space there in our screen is no longer there. So you can go ahead and take your snapshot. But if you write more than 25 gigs of data to the LUN will be taken offline. Changing fractional overwrite reserve with System Manager is fairly easy. Simply edit the volume and you can modify the volume options on the Advanced tab. Now the way they've implemented that in System Manager is pretty smart. It only lets you have one of two options, which are the only two options that we recommend, either 0% or 100%. Checking the checkbox will set it to 100%. Legal values are anything from 0 to 100, so 2 to 87 or whatever, are options that you could set from the command line. You really don't want to do that because you're really just fooling yourself at that point. Either a LUN has overwrite reserve or it doesn't. And anything less than 100 is really not going to help you if you run into a situation where you don't have enough blocks to satisfy overwrite. You can do it from the command line with the vol options, volume name, fractional underscore reserve, and then a number that represents the percentage that you want it to be set to. Again, generally speaking, 100% or 0% are the only values you want to use. Nothing else really helps.